Beef up your everyday mushroom soup recipe and let's cozy up to a bowl of my wild rice hamburger soup. Start slicing and dicing some onion and your garlic, and then for your mushroom, cut them in half and then slice them thin. Once your veggies are ready, let's start cooking the soup. In a large Dutch oven, drizzle in some olive oil and then cook your onion and your garlic, then add your mushroom and carrot, and once they're reduced, add the seasoning and the ground beef. Break it down and cook it fully, and once brown, add your beef broth to the Dutch oven. Bring to a simmer and then add in your wild rice to the pot. Stir it in, place the lid, and cook for 40 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. Take off the lid and add the cream of mushroom soup concentrate, stirring it in and adjusting your seasoning. Bring to a simmer and you're ready to serve this delicious, creamy, beefy soup. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.